But I also feel that this is how remake should be. If you're officially remaking a movie, try to keep the essence of the film as original as you can. Even if you don't want to keep it like shot to shot similar, because obviously every filmmaker has a different vision. I think the essence of the movie should be the same. And generally, remakes जब होते हैं movies के, it's actually an inspiration when they change like a couple of screenplay and they change like a lot in the storyline. That's actually not a remake, it's an inspiration that they take from another film. But I think movies like Asuran and Narappa did justice to the remake because it was an official clone of the film for me. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome to
Hi.
another podcast. I'm so happy to have you all again. And today we are doing something very exciting because all of us recently finished watching Narappa, which released last week, and we all had seen Asuran a long time back. So we are talking about Asuran and Narappa. We are not here to compare the movies. We are here to talk about both the movies individually. Asuran is a Tamil film which is starring Dhanush and released 2 or 3 years back. And Narappa is a Telugu film which is a remake of Asuran starring Venkatesh. We are हम लोग को बेसिकली ज्यादा रिव्यू भी नहीं करने का है मूवी बिकॉज हम लोग को आपको स्टोरी नहीं बतानी है. द ओनली रीजन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट ऑन द चैनल इज बिकॉज इट्स अ गुड मूवी एंड वी आर हियर टू recommend it. So we will talk about its technicalities and what we liked and didn't like about the movie, but we will try not to give any spoilers and stories because it's a surprise for you and we want you guys to watch it. So before starting, I want to start with Farhad talking about Narappa because it just released. Farhad, can you tell me how was the writing and direction and what did you think about the story of Narappa? Not keeping Asuran in mind for now.
सो सो तानिया, मैंने जो है असुरन काफी लंबे पहले देखी थी. आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट लॉकडाउन आई हैड वॉच्ड इट एंड मैंने रिव्यू भी किया है ऑन माय साइट पॉपकॉर्न रिव्यूज. सो the link will be in the description below for both the movies Narappa and Asuran. So Tanya, if you could leave it in the description link. तो क्या था कि because मैंने असुरन देखी थी, I knew कि the beat of नरप्पा कैसी होगी. I did know कि स्टोरी कैसे अनफोल्ड होने वाली है. बट डिस्पाइट दैट वो स्टोरी है ही इतनी पावरफुल कि I didn't mind watching it again with new actors. New set of actors from the original is what I meant. So वो उसका essence जो है ना वो एकदम intact है. Direction भी आप देखेंगे तो it was a very hard task to match up to Vetrimaran, who is the director of Asuran. तो यहाँ पे श्रीकांत अडाला, right? तो he was the director and नरप्पा उन्होंने मतलब पल्स काफी अच्छे से ग्रिप करके रखा है. some would say कि what would be the point, अगर सेम ही उतारी है and scene by scene, shot by shot, everything is same. but आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि जो स्टोरी है वो itself is very powerful. तो when the story itself is powerful, you don't need that changing. अगर आप ज्यादा चेंज कर दोगे तो वो डाइल्यूट कर दोगे आप स्टोरी को. एंड यहाँ पे जरा भी चेंज नहीं किया है. सो आई फील मेरे लिए तो दिस remake definitely did work, even in the action sequences that were there, featuring Venkatesh, या उसका जो एंट्री होता है at the halfway mark, मतलब ये अगर मैं सच में थिएटर में देखता तो मैं सीटी मारता, मतलब सच में इंटरवल पॉइंट पे. So this is one remake, and it's an official remake by the way. ये जो है वो काफी अच्छे से बनाई है उन्होंने, is what I can say.
And I want to add on the story part that Faraj just mentioned, that the story of both Asuran and Narappa are the same, and the film is based. The story of the film is based on the Kilvanmani massacre that happened in 1968, in which around 44 Dalit laborers were murdered by a landlord. So he, as we saw in both Narappa and Asuran, that a group of people were killed in that massacre or the fire that erupted. So it was evident also in the real life story when the Kilvalmani massacre happened. So the 44 people were brutally murdered just for a piece of land. So this was actually illustrated also in Asuran and Narappa, and it was thingly done by Vetrimaran. Full credit to the guy who wrote the story and for the screenplay also in Asuran, which was amazingly illustrated also in Narappa. So it's really, really good. Hats off to both the teams.
So for
Yeah, thanks.
me in Narappa, I love the background music. It was very good. And for movies like this, where you have emotion and you have thrill and you have a very intense story, I think the background music was so nicely balanced and all that the emotion just became better and better with every scene. Also, I want to ask Sana, because you love movies and you like always talk about actors, how did you find Venkatesh in Narappa?
I think the casting was absolutely top notch, and there's no way we can review Venkatesh sir's acting skills. He's always very, very good. And Priyamini also was very good. I mean, they looked good together. Nasser sir was there. I think it was an ensemble cast. Everyone did a terrific job, and even the side actors. I'm so sorry, I would not know their names, but the
Supporting
actors who
cast.
played the kids, the supporting, the ones who played the kids, or the lawyer, or the landlord, all of them were just so good. The story, which was I think a backdrop in the 1950s and slowly moves towards the 1970s. So whatever they have shown, that aging process and how they grow, so everybody with age have done a very, very good job. So yeah.
So I want
Okay.
to ask you guys, what is that one thing that you liked in Narappa? And I want to start with Sadik.
Okay. So what I liked the most about Narappa is, the manner in which they showed how the mighty always try to overpower or overrule the weak ones. So the story of Narappa or Asuran, or even, the story that Vetrimaran has written it's quite similar to what Karnan is. So the screenplay, even if you watch, so Karnan is much more brutal, much more barbaric when compared with the Asuran or Narappa, but they are quite overlapping. In both the films, you see that the lower caste or the suppressed people are always brutally overpowered by the rich one or the powerful one. They don't want the people below them to rise. So this is what I saw, which is quite common in these films, and they've shown this with perfection. So this is what I love the most in Narappa and Asuran both, personally.
Parad?
So I feel the writing and the technical aspects. I feel जैसे वो शुरू में build up होता है, there is a certain build up that is there to then cut to what had actually happened for them to be in that situation. वो जो build up है. And then जो tension वाले scenes है in the fields, etc. I won't give any spoilers because I want people to watch it. So वो वाले feel and even the halfway point जहाँ पे high पे आपने finish किया था at the interval point. And last में आते आते you also gave a life lesson basically, which was very relevant. तो वो वाला part and also the technical features that होते हैं. आप camera angle अगर आप देखेंगे especially वो field वाले में, तो वो tension दिखता है. It is like you are in that field and you are seeing कि ये सब हो रहा है करके. And it's like definitely जो writing है वो तो brutal है ही, brutal in a good way. I'm saying कि they've gone all out. It is raw.
So,
कुछ sugar coating नहीं है, तो उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए जो सिनेमाटोग्राफी है वो भी टॉप नॉच होनी थी for it to be executed that well. So I feel, and that is definitely one of the strongest points, which is why I felt कि Narappa जो है worked as a uh, as a remake also, because उन्होंने कुछ change नहीं किया था. Even the camera angles were same. I feel up to a certain limit background भी same होगा, if I'm not wrong, background music. So काफी कुछ उन्होंने same ही उतारा है. Especially, so I am not a fan of remakes. पहले तो मैं I would still say original तो always better. But यहाँ पे जो है वो it is, I don't say it is better than the original, but it's just like a slight notch lower because original था. That's why. नहीं तो this has really मतलब exceeded my expectation. मुझे personally लगा था while watching it कि I would feel bored. I already know the story. I'm just doing it for the heck of the review. But जब मैंने फिनिश किया तो मुझे वैसे ही कुछ हाई मिला था जैसे मुझे असुरन में लास्ट ईयर मिला था व्हेन आई वॉच. So ये story के लिए ही है. Vetrimaran has given credit for the story in Narappa also and the screenplay.
Hmm.
And ये top notch है. So that's the strongest point definitely. And उन्होंने सही किया, कुछ नहीं किया
So
in a story like that.
coming to Asuran, I want to ask you guys that because you all saw Asuran first, what was your first reaction when you all saw the film?
So I wanted to go first on this.
Okay, you
Yeah,
go.
yes, yeah. So, to be very frank, I was shocked. I was completely shocked when I finished watching Asura. Because, to be frank, I had read about the synopsis of the film before watching it, not completely, but a little. So, just to have an idea what the film is all about. So, due to the fact that I have watched all the previous films of Vetri Maran, and I had watched Pavai Kadigal before I watched Asuran. So Asuran I didn't watch in 2019. I watched in 2020 December before I watched Pavai Kadigal, the short story of Pavai Kadigal. So I was damn shocked what I saw in Pavai Kadigal. So I was quite excited now to watch Asuran because I had watched Adu Kalam. I had watched Poli that before that Adu Kalam also. Yeah, exactly. And after that, I have also watched Vasaranai and Vagda Chennai also. So that Dhanush and Vetrimaran had worked in 3 films before that. So I was quite excited to watch it. And when I was watching Asuran, the first half was like, okay, before that, everything, the murders and all happened. But when I saw the second half, I was totally shocked. Never expected that the second half would turn out like this. Because, and even if you will see the story, I have seen similar stories in Indian cinema, the Hindi cinema also, their redemption, and even in other regions also, like Korean, and redemption is always there. But the manner in which Vetrimaran has done the screenplay, it's extraordinary. Specifically, the second half and the last few minutes he's done. And the background of GV Kumar, oh my God, this is absolutely spine chilling. Every time Dhanush comes and he comes with that whatever weapon he has in his hand, and the music is playing. Oh my
And the
God,
slow-mo.
it's like oh my God. And when you see the YouTube comments also, I am quite accustomed to listening all this music of Asuran on a daily basis. This is the last 6-7 months now. So the comment section, they always say that, just make sure that you don't have a weapon in your hands when you are listening to this song and there is no one around you, because it's such a, it's so motivation, so spine chilling that you can do anything with this. So it's a magical movie. So I never expected Asuran to be that good. It is far, as I always say with these South Indian films, because they far exceed my expectations. And Asuran never expected to be that engaging. So heads up to Vetri. Always, as always.
For me, the only regret that I have with Asuran is that I did not get to watch it in theaters.
Yeah.
I really would have wanted to experience that. And oh my God, Dhanush, I mean, he is so good as the young fellow that he plays. And then when he grows and becomes a wiser person, you can see in his eyes his evolution, the wise man that he's become, all the years that have passed by. So it is so good. And I really regret. I mean, if I would have been in theater, I would have been whistling because the background music is so good. Every time when he comes and there's a background music, it just, it's too good. So yeah, Asuran is absolutely breathtaking. It's a very good movie.
So I actually saw a lot of comments of people where people were like, Asuran is good and Narappa is not good. But also Narappa is basically a remake / copy of Asuran. Like even the frames were the same. Story is not like changed at all. Why do you guys think that people still like Asuran more when Narappa is literally a clone of Asuran?
So I would like to take that first. So there, as I said, that there are many remakes that don't work, but here, because the writing is so powerful, that is the driving force. This is, I had written in my review that it is a faithful remake. When I say faithful remake, I mean that it is as close to the original as possible, and that is exactly why it has worked. You can say that only the actors, even the actors' costumes, if you see, costumes भी same है. अब अगर ध्यान से देखा होगा असुरन और नरप्पा को costumes भी same है. मतलब that is the amount of
actors भी common है. 2-3 actors भी common है.
Even the cap is common.
हाँ वही, मतलब काफी कुछ they've kept it as close to the original as possible. And ये I think the makers को credit जाता है कि they've gone into the detailing of जो original था वो. It could have so easily been कि आपने just कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिया ब्लाइंडली भाई, बट उसमें
It
क्या
didn't
एसेंस
disappoint
को
in
डिटेल
any
कर
way.
पाए,
Yes,
कुछ
it didn't
एसेंस
disappoint in any
डिटेल कर
way.
पाए.
The essence was not lost. I mean, even the story was so powerful that the essence was not lost in both the films. I mean, Asuran was good, but Narappa did it justice.
But then my question is, why are people still liking Asuran more than Narappa when it is literally
That
almost
is
the same?
that is
Okay,
definitely that ना, because जो ओरिजिनल है वो तो ओरिजिनल है, ऊपर से जो धनुष का परफॉर्मेंस है यहाँ पे, वेंकटेश वाज आउटस्टैंडिंग, पर जो धनुष का जो फ्लैशबैक वाला परफॉर्मेंस है,
yeah.
फ्लैशबैक धनुष का कैसे था कि वो कैरेक्टर एकदम मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके गया था, मतलब इन दैट स्पेशली दैट फ्लैशबैक जो रूथलेस दिखाया है ना उसको, उसमें आई विल नॉट गिव एनी स्पॉयलर्स अगेन, बट जो रूथलेस दिखाया है, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी शेड्स, जो वो है वो मतलब एग्जीक्यूशन में थोड़ा 19-20 हो ही जाता है, एज मच एज यू वांट टू गो इनटू दैट डिटेलिंग. ओरिजिनल तो ओरिजिनल है ही, एंड एग्जीक्यूशन में भी आई थिंक वेट्रीमारन आई थिंक इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम द तमिल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. आई हैव वॉच्ड वडा चेन्नई एंड ये भी विसरनई, आई एम सॉरी,
And
which is
Adukalam also.
Adukalam also, yes, and they all have Dhanush in the lead. The
Yeah.
couple of them have at least, yeah. So वही है कि धनुष and Vetrimaran का combination is outstanding, and Vetrimaran as a storyteller is far more superior, definitely. But ये भी
This is
Narappa,
this is because Vetrimaran has also studied English literature. Because I was what I have read that he's a graduate in English literature, so it also illustrates in his movies also. That's why he's such an amazing storyteller, incredible. His narration, his screenplay, his writing is top notch. His character development is top notch also.
definitely character development. I mean आप कोई भी character इसमें से उठा लो in Asuran, it is top notch, and that same characterization they've transferred in Narappa
Goes to
also. Of course, people जिन्होंने असुरन देखी है, they might not like it Narappa, क्योंकि it's the same thing. But मुझे तो technically भी काफी अच्छी लगी थी, मतलब I watch it from a different lens probably. I don't just watch it for entertainment or तो I actually मतलब मैं जब देखता हूँ मैं कुछ चीजें स्टडी करता हूँ about the even if it's the remake या जो भी है, तो मुझे Narappa भी काफी सही लगी थी. I mean it was not better than the original for sure, but quite a worthy remake. I mean अगर remake बनानी है पहले तो I'm not a fan of remake, but remake अगर बनानी है तो ऐसे उतारो. You should know the crux of the story and what to change, what not to change, if at all. Yeah.
Right.
To just mention about the two heroes for me in this movie. One is G.V. Prakash Kumar for the music, and the other is Velraj for their extraordinary cinematography, specifically in the second half. You just check out the shots he took, specifically in the climax. It's unbelievable. Oh my God! I mean, just look at him, the angles he takes, and when after the second half, when that the dust comes on and Dhanush enters. And when he, attacks all the people, yes, just to, defend his kid. Oh my God, the cinematography and the music is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unfreaking unbelievable. I can't believe how deeply and detailed Vetrimaran has made all this. I mean, these three are the real heroes for me in this film that has made this unbelievable movie.
True.
So
yeah,
music
exactly.
is
And
spine-chilling.
Obviously, it is.
Good.
And if you guys have watched this, so if I would also recommend to watch Pola Dhawan, the debut movie of Vetrimaran, and in which he also casted Dhanush in his first ever movie. And the literal meaning of Pola Dhawan is ruthless man. So he was also ruthless man. He was also ruthless in this also, Asuran. So he's equally ruthless in Pola Dhawan and this also. So if you guys have really liked it, and also the viewers, if you like this movie, so do watch Pola Dhawan. I think it's available on YouTube also. So I watched it quite a few years back on YouTube with subtitles. I'm not sure it's available now, but if it is, so do watch it now. So I'm not sure it's available on OTT platforms also. But if you guys can watch and understand Tamil, so go for it. But Pola Dhawan is as good as Asuran.
Generally, at the end of every podcast, we rate the movie but both of these movies are a remake. I mean, Asuran is the original and Narappa is the remake of the film, so we don't want to rate it. But what I want to ask you guys is, do you think that Narappa did justice to Asuran as a remake?
I think 100%. It was screenplay to screenplay adaptation. As I mean, you've seen the film. It is literally the copy paste kind of thing that has happened. But it didn't disappoint one bit because the actors playing it were different, and they did full justice to the original screenplay. So I think it's definitely worth your time and worthy watch. Even though it's a remake, but it's very good. They have done a good job at it.
But I also feel that this is how remake should be. If you're officially remaking a movie, try to keep the essence of the film as original as you can. Even if you don't want to keep it like shot to shot similar, because obviously every filmmaker has a different vision. I think the essence of the movie should be the same. And generally, remakes jab hote hain movies ke, it's actually an inspiration when they change like a couple of screenplay and they change like a lot in the storyline. That's actually not a remake, it's an inspiration that they take from another film. But I think movies like Asuran and Narappa did justice to the remake because it was an official clone of the film for me. Do you guys
100%.
recommend Asuran and Narappa to the viewers?
Definitely. I mean, I totally agree. It's a faithful remake of Asuran. Narappa is a faithful remake of Asuran. Yeah, if given a choice, definitely Asuran uh, is better, definitely. But I mean, for people who have not watched Asuran, and if there is a problem with the language, or if you're not Tamil speaking, or whatever the case is, I mean, I'm not generalizing anything. But if that is the case, then you can also opt for Narappa. I mean, Narappa is also a faithful remake of Asuran. So 100%, I agree. One of the more sensible remakes, I would say, that I have seen actually, and I really had enjoyed. I didn't think I will enjoy so much, but I had enjoyed Narappa also. So yeah,
Thank you so much, guys, for coming. And thank you for recommending me. Actually, I saw this movie because of you guys. So, thank you so much for recommending this movie to me. And we highly recommend this movie to everybody who is watching this vlog. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah,
see you soon,
see
and
you
let us know what
soon.
you think about it.
Yeah, please let us know what you think about the film and which one you liked better. And
And thank you for your love for the last video, by the
yes,
way.
thank you so
You can
much. We crossed like
you can put that link
a lot of
somewhere.
views because of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You can put the link somewhere there
Yeah,
by the year. Yeah.
yeah. I will put the link. Okay, thank you
Bye
guys. Bye
bye.
bye.
Thank you. Bye
Thanks.
bye.
Bye.